AI isn't replacing creators, it is supercharging them. You use AI tools to create blogs, social media posts, marketing copy, and even snappy products, descriptions that hook customers, all while sipping coffee in your PJs. Dive in with free tools like a ChatGPT or Gemini for text or Midjourney or Imaginetree for visuals, Jasper for bulk writing, Notebook LM, Nano Banana, Pomeli, Opal for workflows, Whisk, and Google AI Studio, and many others. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Outreach, or Fiverr, and offer AI-boosted content packages. Polish a small business's Instagram portfolio piece. I give this a 2 out of 5. Setting up for mastering AI tools might take a bit of time at the start, but content generation afterward can be fast. Difficulty earning your first $100, I give this 3 out of 5.